This is Isa on her bike. Full gear. Say hi. Go, Isa. This is my bike. Just came from the fort to ours round trip. Go, Is. This is me. Hi. Kapoy. Hi, Is. Say hi. Say hi. Oh no, your knee pads are going down. They're not supposed to go down.
Not again.
You want me to fix it?
Okay.
Bye. How's your bikey? Huh? Two hands always. Ay, where's your sunglass? Wear it. Wow. You look cool.
I hate this. I don't like to look like a rock star.
You don't like to look like a rock star.